Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is actually about my hair care routine, because there's a lot of people who have been asking me to do a video on my hair care routine. Because if you see, I do a lot of coloring and experimentation with my hair, so it becomes really difficult to manage them if you don't take care of them properly, especially now when I have bleached my hair. They definitely would lose their moisture. They would become very frizzy and dry if we don't take care of them properly. So here is going to be my hair care routine, which is absolutely simple, and I do it weekly, like every Saturday. And my hair are good to go. They look quite silky, they look quite soft and manageable over everything else. So if you want to see how I take care of my hair, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So these are the ingredients that we would need. We have coconut oil here, almond oil, one hair serum which is also a heat protectant, and vitamin A capsules. Along with this, I'm using this tool to have a little massage and warm water with me. These are all the things that's going to help, and I'm starting with the base, that's coconut oil. I'm taking a generous amount of it, and I'm going to mix almond oil into it. This is going to help with my dandruff problem, and also going to give a very nice moisture to my hair. I just trust this Rogan Badam Shireen. This is the pure form of almond oil that I get for hair, and I mix that into my coconut oil. Along with that, I'm going to take this vitamin E capsules. They have vitamin E oil in them, which also adds moisture to my hair. So this just works wonder for my hair. Ever since I've started using them, they have definitely changed my hair. So I'm going to mix this into my oil, and then I'm going to nicely mix them into each other like this, as you see here. And yeah, now I want my oil to be little warm, but I don't want to heat them, because I heat my oil, the advantages that I'm going to get are going to get reduced. So I put it into warm water, so that way my oil is warmer for longer. And now we're going to start with oiling process. So you see my hair, this is how they look right now. They are fine, they are not extremely dry, but first I'm going to start with a hair serum. This, which I said, is also a heat protectant. I'm going to nicely apply it across the ends, because ends of my hair are very dry, because there's bleaching that has happened here, which obviously rips off all the moisture and goodness from your hair. So I'm going to apply that serum nicely all over the ends first, and then gently go upwards, so that way I don't have too much product up, but most of it is concentrated down, and whatever is left is up. So I run my fingers through my hair, that way it spreads evenly all over my hair. And then obviously I'm going to take my oil. I'm going to start making sections in my hair and apply oil with my fingers. I just like applying it with my fingers. The warm water gives the oil just the right texture, so that it is neither too hot nor cold. So the oil is nicely absorbed into your scalp, but at the same time all the nutrition that is there in the oil does not get burned out when you directly heat. If you heat it directly over fire, the nutrition is going to burn out, and you're not going to get all the advantages that is needed. So I would always suggest that use a warm water instead. That way your oil stays warm throughout when you're massaging it, when you're applying it, and also gives you the best benefits possible. So like this, I'm going to nicely apply it all over my hair, and then gently start massaging it. When you're massaging your hair, go very gentle with it, and then whatever oil is left, I'm again going to take it on my palm, warm it up a little bit, and apply it all over the ends of my hair, because that needs most amount of moisture, that are most damaged. And now this tool I'm going to take and apply all over my head. This gives such a nice massage to your head. It gives very relaxed feeling when I use this tool to massage my head. So it is very affordable, and you will find it easily anywhere in your local market. So you can go ahead and buy this, because this is something that's worth trying. If you don't use this, you're missing on something in life. And then I'm going to comb my hair nicely, so that it is tangle free, and when I take bath, my hairs are not tangled. And yeah, and now I'm going to just put a shower cap and let it rest for around an hour or two. I generally do this at night and sleep with it, and next day morning I take my bath. But if you want, you can do it in daytime, let it stay for an hour or two, and it would just do the same magic. And here I am after the hair wash. And now this is how I dry my hair. I don't put too much stress over them. I just pat dry them with my towel, nicely squeezing all that water from my hair, and I'm going to make sure that they don't get stressed. So like this, I'm going to squeeze the water out of my hair. This is the best way to dry your hair. Please do not stretch them, do not comb them immediately after you have dried them. That just breaks your hair, because your hair are most fragile when you have taken bath, when you're out of shower. So try avoiding as much stress as possible for your hair. And yeah, once I have dried them, I am going to take my serum again and nicely apply it all over my hair, so that when I dry my hair or when I comb my hair, they are silky smooth and soft. So this serum is very very beautiful, and it helps my hair, like it is heat protectant as I said, and also helps my hair detangle very easily. Even if I do it on wet hair, it is still going to help my comb glide through it, my fingers glide through my hair. So this gives that soft texture to my hair and a nice shiny look as well. And then I'm going to nicely dry my hair. I'm blow drying them a little bit. I'm not styling them, I'm just drying them so that I can comb them, because I have to go out and I cannot take wet hair obviously. So I'm just drying them a little bit, just very 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 little, so that they look dried, they don't look like wet out of shower. But I'm not drying them completely, because I avoid heat as much as possible. As I've bleached, heat would damage them more, so I avoid heat. And once I've dried them, I'm going to comb through them, and you see it is so easy to comb through them. They become so silky smooth and soft that it becomes very easy to make them tangle free and comb through them. So yeah, you see the hair are looking so nice and silky, shiny and bouncy. So there's one advantage of this serum, that it does not make your hair flat. In fact, it makes them bouncy and shiny. You see my color is also looking so shiny and glossy. I love this serum, and I love this hair care overall. You see, it makes my hair look so nice and taken care of. Doesn't look damaged at all. They're not frizzy, they're not damaged, they're not dry. Just the perfect hair, right? And that too without doing any heat treatment, just drying them a little bit. So this is how my hair look, and I love them. And guys, that's how my hair care routine works. You can see the results are amazing. So you should go ahead and take care of your hair as we do for our skin and our body and everything else. Our hair are equally important. So it's important that we take care of them, right? Because they are a part of your personality. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And kindly do not forget to subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Until then, take care. Tada!